suffering from the lightning in my head. Every thought I never said, every fear I tried to drown, but the thunder followed me down.
Built walls out of my doubt, try to scream but no sound.
The sky was breaking over me, and I thought this was the end of me. But in the dark I heard a voice
Not telling me to make a choice.
inside the storm. I learned to stand with shaking knees and open hands. The thunder roared, the rain came fast, but I'm still here, I didn't crash. Inside the storm, I found my name in every drop, in every flame. The night was wild, the sky was torn, but I was born inside the storm. Inside the storm.
I was tired of holding all the weight, smiling like I'm okay. Every beat strong cut me deep while I was barely on my feet.
I let the rain soak through my skin, let the chaos pull me in. If I was breaking anyway, I'd break honest, I'd break real.
I stopped praying for the pain to end, I prayed to make it through instead.
Inside